Well, good morning, good afternoon, hello to everybody. Hope you're all doing well. Today is an unboxing. The Holy Stone Bolt B. I'm looking forward to getting this for a little while. My friends at the Canadian Drone Hub have one of these, and I've been told it's very fast, so kind of excited. Looks like it'll be kind of interesting. To open the box, I'm going to pull out a yellow knife in honor of the Bolt B. This is a Boy Scout version, I think, of a Swiss Army knife. It's got just about every bloody contraption you can imagine, and guess what? It even has a knife, if I can get it out. There we go. It's got a magnifying glass. Oh yeah, anyway. Tool time, huh? Here we go. Let's open this sucker up. Let's open this up. The Bolt B. Alright, oh, this superfluous plastic. Oh, I like it. Look at that badass looking case. It's got the Bolt B like etched in there. Look if I just play the light a little bit. Wow, it's pretty. Anyway, I like it. Alright, look at that. They've got a quick start guide in the top of the box. Okay, that's freaking cool. I like that. Using a different lens today, so not quite as wide a field of vision. Wow, packed up. Let's just see, there's some tape I have to cut here. Transmitter on one side. Holy Stone also always provides, I think it's kind of cool, a little notebook. Let's pull this off. Ooh, look at this little fella. Wow. It's light. It's lighter than I expected. There you get a battery. Obviously, I guess you'd need one, wouldn't you? I think there might even be a second battery. Top pops in. Now, I've heard some people have trouble popping these in. It does say top. Okay, it clips in. And we've got the usual bucket of parts here. Yep, there's the spare battery. There are lots of extra props. That's nice. There are prop guards, charger, and looks like a battery removal, or excuse me, a propeller removal tool. Very nice. Okay, let's move all this to the side. That controller, holy catfish. This thing is a beast. Look at the size of this. There's anything holding it in. Oh, there we go, just tension. Wow. Okay, let's get a better look at this. This controller, holy catfish. Wow. Do you ever get a hand grip on this thing? It's huge. I like it though. I think it's going to be good flying it. And then this little Bolt B. Very cute. Let's put the prop guards on and see how they look. For kicks. Okay, they just clip through. To be honest, I'm not going to be flying this inside, so why bother? Now, you know, it'd be interesting. Let's see how it looks compared to the Tello, or beside a Tello. I have a feeling we're going to have a similar shape and form factor. What do you guys think? Any guesses before I put it down on the landing pad? Let's put this stuff over here. Wow. I'd say those guys are pretty close. Pretty close indeed. And there's another one, the Parrot Mambo, that looks even more like the Bolt B. Anyway, this is about the Bolt B, not the Tele with a Mambo, but still. So anyway, that's the essential unboxing. You get the great big controller, which looks very well made. You get the quad, props, spare parts, the usual stuff. Alright, so I am going to go and charge this sucker up and get out flying. So I will see you guys later.